step was foundation, of course, and I am using the shade number 6. I wasn't really sure if this was going to be a good match because I received this in a PR package, but it wasn't bad. It is a little ashy, but I'm applying it all over my exposed areas just so that it matches. It is quite a heavy coverage, and I am also using it in a smaller brush as a concealer. I should have used the primer before, but I completely forgot. Oh well, moving on. Next we have the pressed banana powder, which I thought was okay. It didn't really brighten underneath my eyes, but it did a good job of mattifying. Next, I am using their signature palette, and I am taking this warm matte shade. It is a very earthy tone, and I'm using that all over my crease, and it is really soft and very easy to blend. And then I wet my brush and took this golden shade and created this very soft half cut crease using it. Next, I used the eyeliner in brown to create the soft winged eyeliner. It does not really look brown, it looks more grey. It applied really patchy, it wasn't smooth at all, and I had to tug my eyes to apply this. Please don't tug your eyes while you do your eyeliner, it's not the best thing to do. Okay, so next we have mascara. I'm using the HD mascara, which I thought was okay for my eyelashes, but I absolutely loved it for my eyebrows. I'm loving the recent trend of bushy eyebrows and just brushing everything upward. And then I used the eyebrow pencil in brown, and I just filled in all of the gaps. Next we have blush, and I was very blown away with this. I did not expect it to be this pigmented, and it also blended really well. I love the color too. Okay, so the highlighter is the star of this tutorial. Oh my god. This was my first time trying it, and you can see it in my face. I was like, oh my god, what is this? It is beautiful. It is so bright, so blendable. Oh, amazing. And lastly, I am finishing it up with the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. This is a very orangish nude, and yeah, so this is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this.